Hi, I'm Tammy. So today I'm going to do a revise on the classic Paloma. There, I got it out. We're going to do a Strawberry-Basil Paloma. We've got some fresh basil that we're going to throw into the shaker. And we've got some strawberries. I've got 5 strawberries. They were frozen. Didn't have any fresh, so just use frozen. We're going to throw those into the shaker. And we are going to muddle them to bring out some of the flavors. So I'm going to get those muddled in there. All right. That is good. Then we are going to add 1.5 ounces of tequila and to the shaker. Then we're going to do some agave. And agave is just a sweetener. I just spilled all over myself. We're going to use 1/2 ounce. Then into the shaker. I have made a mess. Then we're going to use 2 ounces of grapefruit juice. And I'm spilling that too. I'm making a huge mess today. Let me grab it from here. All right. Now, let's add some ice into the shaker. And let's get it shaken, shooken, shaked, whatever the terminology is. Let's get that done. Let's shake it up. All right. Probably about 15 seconds is all you need. And it's going to be nice and frothy and cold. Frothy. One of those words. Then you're going to bring your drink over. I have already pre-crushed ice for this drink. And then I've added some fresh basil. I just kind of tapped it a little bit to bring out the fragrance. And then I added a couple strawberries. Let me go ahead and pour this in. Now, this drink, you can top it off with soda water. You can top it off with like a normal Paloma, some squirt. But I thought I'd do something a little bit different today. I thought I would top this off with a little bit of champagne. So let's get that going. I'm going to do a little bit of bubbly. So we seem to have misplaced our spoon, so we're just going to use a regular spoon. Really doesn't matter, I suppose. Just get that mixed in just a little bit. All right, this drink is ready for the taste test, and I'm really excited about this because I love Palomas. So I'm expecting this to be delish. All right. This is absolutely fantastic. You can definitely taste the strawberry. The tequila, it's kind of an afterthought in the drink. I mean, you can taste it, but it's so smooth that it's not like, in your face. The basil is just a nice hint of basil. This is just a really nice, refreshing, great drink. I hope you try it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and cheers.